Microsoft's AI business has one real customer. Its name is OpenAI. A regulatory filing puts the figure at $24.1 billion in the year to June. That is roughly 70% of every AI dollar Microsoft made. This is the number the entire AI boom gets measured by. Every time somebody says demand is real, this is what they mean. Bloomberg reported it on August 5th out of Microsoft's own disclosures. The payments cover compute, they cover model building costs, and they take a share of OpenAI's sales. Set against the whole company, that is more than 7% of everything Microsoft earned this year from one customer. Microsoft is also one of OpenAI's largest investors. That is why critics call this circular. One customer, 70%. That is not a market, that is a relationship. Subscribe to Silicon Desk. 2 more stories moving fast. 1. Elon Musk is building a chip factory the size of a small city. Tesla and SpaceX confirmed Terafab on August 6th. $16.8 billion to start in Grimes County, Texas. More than 100 million square feet. At least 3,000 workers. Logic and memory under one roof. SpaceX filings suggest the full build could reach $119 billion. Their argument is that Tesla and SpaceX together will need more than 1 terawatt of compute. 2. ChatGPT just reached 1 billion people a week and dropped the limits. Opera 1 billion weekly users. 3 years and 8 months after launch. Free and Go users get unlimited text chats on the new GPT 5.6 Luna. Uploads and images are still capped. OpenAI says Luna returns about 62% fewer answers containing factual errors. It also arrived about 7 months later than OpenAI's own internal target. 3 stories. Look at what they have in common. A chip factory, a free chatbot, and Microsoft's biggest AI line. All of it is compute, and somebody is paying for it. Customer or investment? Tell me below. That's the desk.